Hey guys, it's me Jack. I check out Creative Studios again. Been a long time without. We made the Godzilla for this Jack. Yeah. Yo, are you Angry Hulk? Oh, that's Angry Hulk. Oh, you want to smash? No, thanks, buddy. Yo, I just killed a mythical beast, Hulk. I'm gonna trap you again, big boy. You gotta go there and I know you don't want to. I know you don't want to. No, you're not stuck. I gotta put you in. There, that's good to you. No, you suck. Yep, that's it, buddy. You're gonna sit here and think with your thumb. Go down. Down. Go down. Yep, that's it. Let me just check on Hulk. His fist. I'm gonna punch him in the face. Goodbye guys. This is the end of Beef vs Hulk. Subscribe.